is so beautiful. So hello everyone, welcome back to another new video Shape Lives. And today I am with a special person. He is none other than, what's your name please? Let me know about my audience. What's your name?
My name is Shobuz. I'm
He's a driver.
man.
He's a driver. Sometimes he takes people to here and there, and it is our profession. So, do you love your profession? Do you love? So, can you say something about more yourself? So are you married or are you single?
I'm married. Your Gustagram having. So I gave me local person.
Yes.
Anyone me.
So anyone can contact with Shobuz bhai. Eating because he is a very hungry person. Always try to eat sometimes. So would you like to give some food with him?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how's your feeling now? Do you feel better? Okay. So are you feeling better? So may I ask some personal question if you don't mind? Okay, so let me ask some question. So are you happy with your married life?
Married life, good.
Feeling good, okay.
Feeling,
He-
but
Nice to meet you.
sometime are you non happy? But there are other question your
Okay. So that's enough. So okay. So thank you for accepting our request. So give me your valuable time. Thank you for your give me valuable times. So I will see some new videos some other time.